How to identify certain rows within a specified range of columns. I have a DF where I need to identify any rows that have a value found in a list, within columns which are also in another list. For this example, I need to identify any rows that have a value of JQ are within any column that starts with month. The final DF will have a column that shows true or false if either of the letters exist within the list of columns. Expected outcome. My initial attempt resulted in the error below.
I forgot to add .any. The code below works. The error suggests that I was trying to compare too many 6 calls items into one result. By using .any, this function returns true if any of the iterables calls equals true and false if the iterable returned all false, ultimately reducing the number of items to just 1. So by adding .any 1 to the end, the script consolidates the 6 items passed to just 1 item. Here's a solution that doesn't use number py. I didn't use all of the fields, but I'm sure you'll understand it. Also, I used a data frame last after manipulating my dictionary. I find it much easier to do that.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.